Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS7722 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TS7722 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon domain here that says Canon support for PIXMA TS7722. Open that up, and then you want to scroll down on this page and underneath downloads, expand software and drivers, and then you want to go and select the master setup download. So go ahead and select that. And then once it's finished downloading to your computer, open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then select your language and your country, and then just begin the setup process here. And then you want to agree to the license terms and select next. And then you might have to power on your printer. Proceed with the installation steps here depending on your configuration preference, if you want wired or wireless, for example, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.